Forming student teams to create your own original video game projects is a key element of a DigiPen education. Want to know how it all works? Let's break down what junior and senior year game projects look like. Once students become juniors, the technological and creative complexity for game projects increases considerably as all disciplines finally join together on a year-long 3D game team project. Divided into a first semester pre-production phase and a second semester production phase, student programmers, game designers, artists, and music and sound designers work through the same iterative milestone process used in professional game development. As team sizes grow, students begin to take on more specialized roles, reflecting their interests and growing skill sets. Students may choose to take an optional third semester post-production course their senior year, allowing them to polish their junior game team project to an even higher level. Senior year, game projects become much more open-ended than before. The only requirements? Make something related to games on a team. While senior projects usually take the form of a professional level 3D game, students have also opted to make everything from pen and paper RPGs, mobile games, game engines, interactive narratives, and beyond. Seniors have 2 semesters to create their project following whatever production process they want, checking in with mentors throughout to make sure their professional and creative goals are being met.
The end goal is to get students prepared to enter the industry by emulating the loose requirements and fast-paced environment that they'll find there. That means seeing how they deal with ambiguity and much less direction than they're given the first 3 years of their education.
Senior game project students also partake in workshops that dive into specialized topics that help prepare them to enter the industry, such as contracts, marketing, game monetization, and more. We can't wait to see what you'll create here.